Okay, that was kind of confusing, but like pushing back like from the instructions for a second, this was too confusing for some reason. I heard that John Deere not that fantastic about installation instructions, but also by letting go of the instructions, I had a chance to open my mind, to let my mind open to my own situation, which is, well, I had a feeling that I want this, but what happens if I want to drive over? Because I do have a ride over mowing deck, and let's give it a look. So this is here, and no go, buddies, no go. Let's just use the and I really don't know what this is for. Take a look. I put the play part, and look at that. So I'm gonna play it safe. This goes here. Detent pin, whatever, but this spring is tough, so I'm gonna fight it for a moment there. Also, make sure the detent pin is from the outside of this detent plate, and by outside I mean this side, not to the inside of the mowing deck, whatever. Alrighty, I had to push my own body weight against it, and be careful so you don't unwrench it so it jumps against your forehead or your eye. You shouldn't want that to happen. So, and just the last locking nut, which I appear to not have. That's what happens when you don't get a sealed bag, as it was open. See this? M8. Looky look, looky look. Looky, you sweet cookie. Oh look, oh look. Look at your cheek and your lips. Cutie. Leftovers are not just not so desirable, but what can you do? Oh man, looks like this one, but this one has a broken bolt in it. Maybe I'll drill it. I'll try. Let's go see. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. Big nope. Nope. It's you, I guess. Wait a minute. I got a few. I got a couple of these pulled out earlier today. Could you be the answer? Rusty little bugger. Oh, yes. A little rusty, but it is. This. I don't know if I like it. Rusty bugger. Good thing is it's on the top side, so I always see it in case it is threatening to spread the rust virus. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. So tighten loosely. Let's. Come on, buddy. It's kind of weird. Again. It says here that I need to tighten the locking nut on the pivot until it reaches the end of the threads. Okay. There it is. I don't want to break anything, so maybe this is it. Be careful, guys. It's not a really, it's not the strongest part, you see. So if you use this thing, you gotta be careful, or just use a torque wrench. It says it should be 20 Newton meters. It doesn't matter to me right now. Make sure that the detent pin right here is positioned on the right side of the detent plate. The black part, the pointy thing, done already. Rotate detent plate, the black part, and handle assembly clockwise until they stop. Detent pin must be contacting detent plate. Finger. Okay, finger. With detent pin contacted detent plate, deflector gate must be closed. Contacting stationary deflector. Tight M8 lock nut. F. This part. The specifications. 20 Newton meters or 15 pound-feet of torque. Let's go do it. Done. That's what happens when you don't have a proper show and tell on YouTube. So that's why you have the spring, I guess. Right now it won't open because this is meant to be a stopper to prevent it from opening up while you're mulching. So that's why you have the option, I guess, to pull it. Oh, such a tight spring. You could open it by pushing this up and let the stopper pin over here be on the other side so you can open it up. Let's try both hands. So conclusions. Do not assume. Don't be like me. Do not assume. Don't throw assumptions. Just follow whatever it is and you'll get it, or watch this video and learn from my mistakes. So this spring is so tough by the specs of the instructions when pushed all the way to all its threads. Anyways, I don't even want the thing to ever open. You can't see it right now, but wait. Let's try something. No, it does not work. Brightness doesn't work. So now I think I should calibrate it again because it went a little downwards. But that should be a piece of cake because the two bolts that has the play of this plate, the mulching plate, are exposed right now over there. You cannot see it, but they're there. And I have to readjust it because the gap has opened here. Piece of cake. Anyway, tomorrow will be part 4 where I put it back on the mower and give it a go. See myself tomorrow and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Push the like button and subscribe if you want to see anything further or have any requests. And take care, be safe, and see you in the next video.